You're looking at the floor plan of Residence 37C at 310 West 52nd Street. Upon entering the bright, beautiful apartment, you're greeted with a beautiful view of the Hudson River and New Jersey, offering gorgeous sunset views. The large apartment features enough room for a living area and dedicated dining, as you'll see the current tenant has here, or you can have a breakfast bar and maximize your space. The kitchen features a Sub-Zero refrigerator, freezer combo, soapstone countertops, a Bosch convection oven and gas cooktop, a panel dishwasher, undermount sink, and plenty of storage. Ideal for gatherings and entertaining while cooking. Across from the kitchen and behind the front door is your entrance coat closet with storage from top to bottom. The entire apartment has bamboo floors and floor-to-ceiling windows. There are two AC heating zones, one in the main living area and one in the bedroom. On the north end of the apartment is the hallway that leads to your powder room. Across from the powder room is your utility closet with a 2-in-1 LG washer and dryer and additional storage above. The master bedroom features enough room for a king-size bed. The current tenants have a queen size with 2 side tables and a high dresser. The same view facing westward. There's plenty of storage with a 3-door closet. And the master ensuite features a double vanity, 2 medicine cabinets, and a deep soaker tub/shower combo. Another view of your closet space. And one last look at the view.